Hello everyone! In this video we're going to georeference aerial photos in the Global Mapper Pro software. When you take a normal image and give it real geographic coordinates, you're actually georeferencing it. So to get started, we import our map to the software. The select position to use for layer window is open for us. Here an error is displayed, which indicates that this file is without a coordinate system. And we can set the coordinate system to our file or map in several ways. The first one is manually rectify image. That means we can determine the coordinate system manually. In the next option, it determines the coordinate system in a fake way. We use the first option. Here, the image rectifier window is displayed for us, which has 3 windows inside. The left side is the entire image and our initial map can be seen in general. We can partially choose our region in this part. The middle of the window is zoomed view. Click for pixel coordinates. Here we can click and enter the coordinate system. And in the right window, which is reference image, load into main view first. We zoom in on the corners of the map. As can be seen here, the latitude and longitude are written. To georeference the base maps, you need at least 4 specific points with coordinates. Usually on the geological and topographical maps, it is included in the 4 corners of those allocations. We click on the corner of the map, and in the bottom part, we enter the coordinates. Make sure to enter the correct latitude and longitude. And finally, we click on Add Points to List option. The name of each point can be specified. We do this for the next 3 corners of the map. If you enter the points incorrectly, you can click on the points entered in the list and hit the delete option and re-enter correctly. And finally, we click on OK. Here, our map has a coordinate system now. As is specified in this section, the map has a coordinate system. To better define the work, we import the world imagery to see if our map is positioned correctly on the world imagery or not. As you can see, the coordinate system are given correctly. Now, you have to export your map and save this map in a specific path. So, right-click on your layer, and from the export section, select the export raster image option. First, we need to determine the format. And give a name to the output. We import the saved map to the software again. As you can see, the coordinate system error was no longer displayed for us. If we enter the initial map, it still has the error.